Hello guys, welcome to day 7 of the design challenge. If today is the first day you are joining us, do well to participate by joining our WhatsApp community. The link is in the description below. All you need to do is to join our WhatsApp. It is necessary you join so that you can stay updated and connected. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is our workspace. Remember to change the dimension of your workspace. Make sure your width is 1023 and your height is 1280. Now let's go ahead and import the background of the design. So guys, this is the background we'll be working with. So stretch it. Yeah, this is beautiful. Copy it. Delete the one behind. Then position this. Make sure it is well positioned. If you've done that, click on this icon, then lock it. Okay, let's import the image of the celebrant. So click on import. This is the first image. Now go back to crop. Let's crop this part out. That reminds me. So guys, I want you all to know that I'm not the one behind this design. I mean the original designer. This concept was created by Colade. I want to take this opportunity to give him the credit. I don't want to take the credit. But for the fact that it is a design challenge, I believe that everyone have the license to recreate anybody's design because it is a design challenge. Now let's stretch this. Okay. This is okay. Copy it. Delete the one behind. Then position this. Relative position. Make sure it's at the center. Click on this icon. Lock it. So guys, the next thing we need to do is to cover this sharp edge. This is what I'm talking about. We need to cover it so that our design can look professional. And how do we do that? I'm going to be teaching you how to cover a sharp edge on an image in PixelLab. In case you don't know how to do that, I'm going to be teaching you how you can do it in PixelLab. So the first thing I want you to do is click on shapes. So now stretch it. Yes. Go to So guys, click on this white and black gradient. Go to the plus icon. Make sure you highlight this black stuff here. Then click on this stuff. I mean this. Let me show you. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. After you've highlighted this, then you click this. So click on it. Reduce the level of opacity. Then click on OK. Click on this one. Then go to color. Click on the color picker. Click on the background. So this is the color we are going to make use of. Yes, and click OK. Turn this gradient. Yes, turn it this way. We want it to be at the center. Yes, so it's at the center now. Move it to this side. Yes, then click on OK. Wow, this is beautiful. Hope you can see what we've achieved. Yes, then click on your good icon. Bring it down. We're not yet done. Go to texture. The next thing we want to do is this. We want to texture the background of this design into that gradient, and this is how we're going to achieve that. Click on this, then click on the background, which is this. Crop this part out. Follow me carefully. Yes, then click on the good icon. Hope you can see the way it looks. It's not looking good. Go back to texture, then scale it. Make sure it blends with the background itself, and this is looking nice. So guys, as you can see, we've blended the image with the background. I believe you've learned something new. Like I would always tell my viewers, every video on my YouTube channel is valuable. Yes, because every video has something new to teach you which you never knew before. and I believe you've learned something new. So go and lock this gradient, make sure it's locked. Now the next thing we need to import is the other picture. So click on import. Yes, this is the other picture. Let's crop this part out. Okay, so reduce it again. Okay, this is okay. Copy it, delete this one, then place this one here. Okay, this is okay. So click on this, let's lock it. Now let's import the happy birthday write-up. Okay, so reduce it again, reduce it, place it here. Okay, this is okay. The next thing we need to do is to write her name. So go to your A icon, go to test. Her name is Light Victor. So bring it down, place it here. Go to font. We'll be using a peculiar font, Skinner. Yeah. Increase it. Okay, this is good. Click on her name, go to style. Let's make her name bold. Yes, this is better. So let's write a birthday wish for her. So go to text, go to edit. So this is the birthday wish. We are done writing it. Go to font. We'll be using Montserrat regular. Okay, then go to alignment. We'll be using a center alignment. Reduce it. Okay, reduce it again. Okay, reduce it again. Place it here. Okay, go back to font. Let's use Montserrat medium. This is better. Yes, this is better. And let's write the date of our birthday. Click on the center icon, go to shapes, increase the radius, then reduce it again, place it here. Okay, so highlight it, go to color, enable it, then go to the plus icon. We'll be picking the color from the background. So this is the color. Yes, that's the color. Now go to your A icon. Let's write the date of our birthday. 11th February. So bring it down. Go to font. We'll be using Montserrat extra bold. Yes. So break it. Go to alignment, make sure you use center alignment. Go back to test, put this dot there, then place it here. Go to size, reduce the size from here. Yeah, then go to position. Let's position it. Okay, click on your good icon. So guys, we are done writing the date of our birthday. Lastly, let's write long life and prosperity. So click on this, copy it, go to edit, erase everything. Long life and prosperity. Yes. So go to size, increase the size, place it here, and decrease the size again. Don't mind me. Go to spacing, space it from here, This is okay. So bring it down. Okay, go back to size. Let's reduce it again. Okay, this is okay. So guys, we are done with this beautiful birthday flyer design. Do well to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I drop tomorrow's design. Thank you so much. If you are yet to join our WhatsApp community, do well to join our WhatsApp community so that you can gain access to the design resources. Like I said earlier, the password to the file is in this tutorial video. Make sure you watch the tutorial video to the end. So guys, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be day 8. Watch out for tomorrow's design. Thank you so much.